Hey guys, it's Ben from TV Parts today. We are going to be getting into a Samsung UN46F7100AF. We're just going to be pulling the boards out of the back, kind of showing you the clips and the various connections in there. If you have any questions, if you need any help, if you need to order parts, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484, and let's just jump right into this unit. So first things first, with this unit, we're going to get this initial plate off. There are some notches that they go into up top here. They just slide right out. So we're going to be taking the main board out first. We're going to start with these clips around the side, and we're going to get the screws out. This first clip here, we're going to pinch down to where the connection at the top comes loose, and then you just slide it out. This ribbon cable connection, what we're going to do is get our fingernail up underneath it, pop it up, and we're going to be able to pull that ribbon cable out. This is going to be similar to this connection here. We just want to pinch down the sides and the entire thing should come out. Now we just got to get the screws and we'll have that main board loose. That should be all the screws. The board just comes right out. Then moving on to the T-Con board, we're going to get these two ribbon cable connections off. We're just going to get our fingernail underneath, pop the flap up, and that cable should just come right out. This is going to be a little bit different. You just squeeze in on the two sides and the entire piece just comes out from that clip. These are going to be set in there a little bit harder. And there you go. Just pop the two screws out and we have the T-Con board. That's it. So on to the power supply board. There are just three clips here, here, and here. They're similar styles to what we've already worked with. This clip right here is going to be where you squeeze down on the two sides and it should just come right out. These two at the top, we're going to pinch on the top of the clip. We should release it from the housing and we should be able to lift straight up and out. And then this other one's going to follow the same example. Now we just take the screws out. And that's it. Real easy stuff here today. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. There is a button down below so you'll receive alerts when we're posting new videos. And if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you will qualify for 20% off your first order through TV Parts today. And we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.